Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to talk to you about the Boston Whaler 2021 28 Vantage. This is one of our top selling boats. It's an absolutely perfect boat. It does everything well. This particular boat has the Horizon Blue, which is a gorgeous color from Whaler, and it's also powered by the new Mercs, the twin 250s. Plenty of horsepower for this boat. Hops right up a plane, gives you a good top end. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 28 Vantage. Let's start at the back of the boat. As I said a little bit earlier, we've got the new Mercs, the twin 250s. So beautiful motors, extremely quiet. It's incredible. You could sit right here doing 30 miles an hour and barely hear them. We do have, if you're going to decide you want to throw a line out, we've got really convenient live well. It's a good size live well, so you got plenty of room for your bait. Also doubles as a nice cooler as well if you don't fish. If you're going out for a cruise again, you've got the really comfortable two-person seat. It's high back, plenty of leg room on here, plenty of leg support. If you are going to fish, just folds right away. You got a nice leaning post there, so really nice feature. That's a standard Whaler tradition. Then the dive door does a number of things. It's the easiest way to get on and off the boat. It's level with the floating dock. If you're going to go swimming, you got a ladder that just hooks right in there and goes down. It's a 4-step ladder, very safe. And when you go to get back in the boat, you've got a rail. Instead of grabbing on the side of the boat, you've got a rail to help yourself get in. And also, when you're bringing your fish in, instead of bringing them over the gunnel, you can just bring them right through into one of the two fish boxes where you won't lose the fish. So a lot of good features with the dive door. So over here, they added this seat with the 28, and it also doubles as a cooler. So it's actually a pretty good sized cooler, self-draining. So a nice additional seat. Storage underneath, and then this here does a little bit of everything. So you got big storage down below, has your ladder for the dive door conveniently put away. This will also go like this. I can lower it on this way. If I lay it all the way down, you can lounge this way. So it does a little bit of everything. It's a really nice seating area. So the head is a very large size. It's got the vacuum flush. It's got the sea deck on the floor on it. That's the canvas package. It's a surround, so the enclosure will completely cover you in if to get you out of the weather if you need it. But really good size head. A bunch of different things. So you've got the joystick. I can make this boat go sideways very easily. Even if it's into the wind or against the current, I just go like this, and the boat will go sideways. So you've got 100% control of this boat. It's incredible. Also has the sky hook. It locks me into position. So if you're waiting for a slip assignment or whatever, you can just hit the sky hook. It'll keep you still while you get your fenders and your lines. You get all set up. You take it off, and in you go. Also has an autopilot. It's a point and shoot autopilot. Really great feature as well. So great system with the joystick. Digital throttle and shift. They've got the new Ray Marine, which I've got the split screens on it, so it does have a fish finder on this particular model. The Smart Craft, you get the Fusion stereo, and all your controls, VHF radio, trim tabs, you name it, the boat has it. So as we move forward, we've got the cockpit cover and the tonneau cover in there, and you've got the designated storage for the table, which is out of the way, which is great. Wind blocker here to keep the wind on a chilly day. And this is your trash receptacle, so you just you got a red bucket down below, just goes. And also, you can access the storage very easily. And as you can see, it's very large. It has rod storage down there, plenty of room to keep, and it's all dry storage, so plenty of room to keep everything you need on the boat. And then we've got. They did a different thing this year. Normally we would have the beach boarding ladder coming out of the front, but what they've done is they've moved it off to the side, so it's a much safer way. It's not on the bow of the boat. You won't trip on the anchor coming in. So you get the windlass on one side, you get the beach boarding ladder, and then when you get back up and you get sand on your feet, you can rinse the sand right off your feet, keep your boat nice and clean. So this boat is a perfect all-around boat, does everything. It takes the bigger water well as also, and it also gets you into the shallow waters for fishing on the inside. So if you've got any questions, would like to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman. Please give me a call at 603-213-1194.